Welcome! Today I'm changing air filters on my BMW K1200S. That's 2007 model, and we are starting with removal of the seat, then removal of the battery cover, adjust two screws. Next step is removal of the upper fairings. That's just three screws on each side. Let's take a moment to give us a like and subscribe and all that YouTube jazz. Give us a comment as well. So we are going to remove the upper fairings now. It just needs a bit of maneuvering to get it off. And on the side of the bike you have the air duct with the filters in them. So what you're going to do, you're just going to remove two plastic clips, one on the top, one on the bottom, and I'm just going to remove one screw to give me a little bit of access. So I have a bit more space to maneuver the duct and get the filter out. So there's a lot of shite in the duct, so give it a clean. As I can see, I'm using K&N high airflow filters. So they're pretty cool because they are reusable. So they kind of like 3 or 4 times more expensive than normal paper filter, but the benefit is you can just wash them and reuse them. Plus they are high flow. So it's supposed to give you a couple of more horsepower if you believe that. So yeah, I removed the bigger crud with the screwdriver and a couple of tools, gave it a hoover, and then gave it a nice bubble wash. And now I'm just reinstalling it back into the duct. Again, you have to maneuver a duct a little bit there because it has to slot in into specific place. You'll see. It might take you a minute to get it in the right position, but when it's seated correctly, it sits nicely in the airbox, and you can just use two clips to secure it. Again, one on the top, one on the bottom. It just clicks in. You know exactly when it's installed properly. And that's basically it for the filters. Now I'm gonna start reassembly. Again, that needs a little bit of maneuvering to slot in all the right places. If that's new to you, yeah, it might take you a minute, but you'll get there. Again, 3 screws to secure the upper fairing, same on the other side, and we just gonna finish this off with a battery cover. That's again 2 screws, nice and easy. Just the seat left. Give it a nice slap for good luck, and you're ready to test. That should be pretty straightforward. You're just looking for any weird sound or any inconsistency, but you should be just fine. It's a nice and simple job. Thanks very much for watching. Give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and give us a comment. Any questions you might have, I am going to reply to every single comment. Thanks again for watching. See you on the next one.